Hello everyone, I am Dr. JP Singh Sani, working as consultant gastroenterology at Sohana Super Specialty Hospital, Mohali. First I will tell you what we cover in gastroenterology. Gastroenterology covers all the systems including mouth, food pipe, our stomach, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, gallbladder, our biliary system and liver. Liver is the most important organ in our gastroenterology. So there are many symptoms which are related to gastroenterology, including indigestion, diarrhea, constipation, heartburn, jaundice, recurrent pain abdomen, loss of appetite, loss of weight, and sometimes difficulty in swallowing. So all these symptoms, they relate to gastrointestinal disorders. So if you are facing such issues, you should consult a gastroenterologist. So at Sohana Hospital, we are doing all types of procedures and covering all the patients, including endoscopy and all the intricate procedures involving endoscopy such as EVL bending, stenting and other procedures. We are also doing colonoscopy and all colonoscopy related procedures. We are also doing diagnostic as well as therapeutic ERCPs. So we have a very economical package for ERCP at our hospital. Also have fibroscan or transient elastography available at our hospital, which we also do at a very nominal cost as compared to other hospitals. We at Sohana Hospital also have well-equipped ICU, critical care team, and all the radiological investigations are available with us. So if a patient comes with any emergency like GI bleed or any other gastro-related emergency, so we have well-trained staff to handle all these issues. We can do urgent endoscopy, colonoscopy, and we have CT angiography available as well to detect GI bleed and other disorders. So we can handle all these type of emergencies here. So one thing more, I will tell you about COVID and GI symptoms. So many patients nowadays are coming with diarrhea, increase in SGOT-PT and other GI symptoms which are related to COVID. So these symptoms can be managed with simple medicines and probiotics, and I advise to take proper diet and hydrate yourself to keep yourself fit. So if you are facing any gastro-related symptoms including diarrhea, constipation, jaundice, blood in stools, loss of appetite, loss of weight or any gastro-related symptoms, you must visit Sohana Hospital. Here we have all consultants available and we have all radiological and blood investigations which are available with us, and we can diagnose the problem easily and we can manage it. So I request you all to visit Sohana Hospital if you are facing any gastro-related symptoms.
Sohana Hospital, a multi-super speciality hospital, Sector 77, Mohali.